Welcome to the Cleaning Operations Supervisor Training course. This program is designed to transition experienced cleaning professionals into confident, capable supervisors. It focuses on moving from task execution to managing people, quality, logistics, and client relationships. Across 7 structured modules, learners will define the supervisor's leadership role and responsibilities, manage team capacity, schedules, and attendance, and ensure compliance with labor hours and contracts. The course covers quality control using KPIs and audits, effective client communication and SLA validation, motivational leadership, conflict and performance management, disciplinary procedures, and on-site safety accountability, including PPE, chemical handling, and legal compliance.